Do you grow tomatoes? Just write yes or no in the comments below. Let's see how much we love our homegrown, juicy tomatoes from the garden. Today we're talking about something that all gardeners know well: how important proper and natural tomato nutrition is. Tomatoes are sensitive, but grateful plants. If we give them what they need, they will repay us with abundant, healthy, and delicious fruits. Many people don't know that the most effective fertilizer is often already at home. We don't need chemicals and expensive products. Nature already has everything our tomatoes need. The soil must be healthy, rich in minerals and microelements. And what strengthens a plant the most is proper organic nutrition, and at the right time. If we give tomatoes the strength to cope with stress, pests and drought, we will get strong plants and fruits full of flavor. If you found this topic useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love gardening. We help each other, we all learn and grow together. And of course, write in the comments, what is your favorite homemade recipe for fertilizing tomatoes? And now, what you have been waiting for: the secret of home gardeners for healthy tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of wood ash to 1 liter of water, stir, and water the plants once every 10–15 days. The ash is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, everything that tomatoes need to develop fruit and strengthen the roots. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, click like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss the next useful tips from the garden. See you soon in the new video. Until then, happy gardening, and may your tomatoes grow like never before.